The Lamborghini Revuelto's strength lies in carbon fiber, lighter than steel, stronger than titanium. This is the backbone of the Lamborghini Revuelto, the monofuselage chassis. Precision robotics ensure every joint of the Lamborghini Revuelto is welded for maximum safety. Lasers cut the signature Lamborghini Revuelto shapes with extreme accuracy. Under high heat, the Lamborghini Revuelto's carbon fiber becomes rock solid. The heart of the beast, a legendary V12 engine for the Lamborghini Revuelto. Every piston ring for the Lamborghini Revuelto is hand-fitted to ensure a perfect seal. Perfect balance is achieved as the pistons meet the Lamborghini Revuelto's engine block. The crankshaft translates the Lamborghini Revuelto's raw power into motion. The Lamborghini Revuelto's engine assembly is now nearing completion. The timing chain ensures the Lamborghini Revuelto breathes in perfect rhythm. Every bolt of the Lamborghini Revuelto is tightened to exact specifications. The Lamborghini Revuelto's 8-speed transmission is designed for lightning-fast gear shifts. The Lamborghini Revuelto is a hybrid monster, powered by 3 electric motors. The Lamborghini Revuelto's most powerful components are finally united. These pipes will scream the iconic Lamborghini Revuelto roar. Stopping this beast requires the Lamborghini Revuelto's massive carbon ceramic brakes. These calipers can withstand extreme heat during Lamborghini Revuelto's high-speed braking. Active suspension keeps the Lamborghini Revuelto stable on any terrain. The fuel cell is placed in the safest part of the Lamborghini Revuelto. Advanced cooling systems prevent the Lamborghini Revuelto from overheating. Every control is now at the Lamborghini Revuelto driver's fingertips. Only the finest leather is chosen for the Lamborghini Revuelto's ultimate luxury. Finally, the wheels are mounted and the Lamborghini Revuelto touches the ground. The nervous system connecting all sensors of the Lamborghini Revuelto. Luxury meets performance in the Lamborghini Revuelto's custom racing seats. The ECU, the brain that controls the Lamborghini Revuelto's power. The Lamborghini Revuelto's windshield is designed to let air slide off effortlessly.
It's not a Lamborghini Revuelto without the iconic scissor doors.
A primer coat is essential for the Lamborghini Revuelto's masterpiece. 7 layers of paint are applied for the Lamborghini Revuelto's perfect finish. The identity, the famous Lamborghini Revuelto Raging Bull. Panel gap is within tolerance.
Confirmed.
Ensuring the Lamborghini Revuelto is perfect before leaving the factory.
The wait is over. The Lamborghini Revuelto is ready to dominate.